Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to claim your own Steam Wallet gift cards for free. You can claim $20, $50, and even $100 ones based on availability. Let's go on the PC to show you that this works in the procedure. So just take a look at my Steam page here. As you can see, I am inputting my gift card code, and you can also see that I'm on US dollars here. But this doesn't only work in the US, it'll work everywhere in the world. And what it does is it converts to the currency of the country that you are in. So as you can see, I've got activation successful here. It says $100 Steam gift card. And you can see that my balance went up by $100 as well. So without further ado, the first step to getting your Steam gift card code is to visit the website cryoflow.store, which can be accessed on your computer or mobile phone. Once you're on the website, simply search for Steam in the search box. Click on the result, and you'll be redirected to the Steam Wallet gift card page. In just a few steps, you'll have your Steam gift card ready to use on your Steam account. Scroll down, select an offer, click the Show Coupon button, and then hit the Unlock Code button. When the code is generated, you'll need to complete a verification process to prevent bots from claiming the codes. The verification process may vary depending on your country, so take your time to finish it. Once done, your code will be revealed and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy gaming!